The projected price range for Doge in the year 2023 falls among the values of 0.07470 and 0.09667. There is a possibility that the value of Dogecoin may reach the threshold of $1 in the near future. The projected price of Dogecoin, Doge, for the year 2023 is estimated to be 0.04383. In this study, we will examine the historical price data of Doge, utilizing precise, broker-accurate technical analysis indicators. In order to forecast the potential fluctuations of this digital currency in the coming years. Dogecoin, commonly referred to as Doge, is a prominent cryptocurrency that originated as a derivative of Litecoin in December 2013. The creation of Dogecoin can be attributed to the collaborative efforts of Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. Unlike Bitcoin, Dogecoin was inspired by a viral photograph of a Shiba Inu dog. Notably, Dogecoin diverges from Bitcoin by employing a proof-of-work consensus mechanism that relies on the script algorithm. This particular approach results in shorter block times for Dogecoin transactions or operations. The processing time for a block in Bitcoin can extend up to 10 minutes. However, with Dogecoin, it takes only 1 second. It is widely believed that Dogecoin, depicted in the accompanying image, holds a special place as Tesla's preferred cryptocurrency. The recent post by Chief Executive Officer Elon Musk regarding Dogecoin, accompanied by his persistent endorsement of the cryptocurrency, appears to have significantly accelerated its price surge. The value of the picture currency experiences an upward trajectory. The present inquiry pertains to the prognostication of Dogecoin's, Doge, price for the year 2023. With a focus on its market capitalization and the various aspects influencing such market capitalization. Dogecoin, commonly referred to as Doge, has the 8th position in terms of ranking. The provided image depicts a comprehensive chronological analysis of projected price fluctuations for Dogecoin in the year 2023. The cryptocurrency known as Dogecoin, Doge, has exhibited a widening wedge pattern, characterized by a calculated downward slope. This pattern is considered a positive inversion pattern. At the time of analysis, the price of Dogecoin was observed to be 0.0656. If this pattern persists, it is anticipated that the price of Dogecoin may experience an increase, reaching resistance levels of 0.06994, 0.09533, and 0.15727. However, if the pattern deviates from its current trajectory, the price of Dogecoin could potentially decline to the support level of 0. The figure presented below illustrates the potential levels of opposition and support for Dogecoin, Doge, in the year 2023. In this context, the technical analysis tool known as the relative volume, REVOL, is employed to assess the trading volume of Dogecoin in relation to its recent average volumes. The customary method involves the computation of the current day's trading volume divided by the average trade value observed over a predetermined period, such as the preceding 20 or 50 trading days. Furthermore, this tool assists brokers in identifying atypical trading behavior and altering prevailing perceptions during the examination. Notably, the Dogecoin volume was observed to be below the baseline, indicating a substantial number of individuals engaging in the newest trading trend. This deviation from the norm serves as a noteworthy indicator of future developments. MAMA, the force pointer, is utilized for the purpose of organizing cost data and identifying patterns. The utilization of the 50-day moving average is particularly beneficial in determining the mean expenditure of a certain resource within a specific temporal interval. 50. The individual referred to as MAMA examines the mean closing value of a particular commodity over recent days. In the event that the commodity's price surpasses the 50-day moving average, MA, it is categorized as exhibiting an upward trend. Conversely, if the price falls below the 50-day MA, it is regarded as being in a downward trend. Presently, the price of Doge is situated below the 50-day MA, indicating a downward trend. Consequently, Doge is currently in a negative state, although this circumstance has the potential to alter. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is an indicator that assists traders in assessing the magnitude and momentum of a financial asset's price fluctuations inside a specified timeframe during this examination elimination. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is determined by analyzing the mean increases and decreases in value of the asset within the preceding 14 time intervals. The subsequent numerical number falls within the range of 0 to 100. Thereby indicating that values beyond 70 are indicative of an overbought condition. The stocks and readings below the value of 30 indicate an oversold condition. Fundamentally, brokers frequently employ the Relative Strength Index, RSI, as a tool to identify potential pattern reversals or validate the direction of a trend. For instance, when a resource experiences an upward movement and its RSI reaches 70, this indicates that the resource is overbought, potentially signaling an impending pullback. Conversely, if a resource is declining and its RSI remains below 30, this suggests that the resource is not oversold, potentially indicating a likelihood of a reversal during the evaluation period. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, value for Dogecoin is 48.13, indicating that it is now situated in a range that is neither overbought nor oversold. This observation also indicates that Doge is transmitting a bearish signal on the anticipated value of Dogecoin. 2023 Ads Review. In the subsequent examination, we shall delineate the potency and ambiguity of Dogecoin, Doge, by employing the ensuing technical indicators, as depicted in the accompanying chart. A typical approach to advertising involves targeted campaigns and the assessment of relative volatility in order to compile a comprehensive list of reviews to ascertain the degree of pattern strength. Let us examine a typical direction record, denoted as X. The two directional growth points are employed for the determination of the worth of advertisements. The Dynamic Mechanical Index, DMI, is a measure of the mechanical properties of a material, such as plasticity and stiffness. It is often represented as a numerical value ranging from 0 to 100. Based on the data presented in the aforementioned graph, it can be observed that Doge's X value falls within the range of 15.0994. This finding indicates a weak pattern. The graph presented above also demonstrates an additional technical indicator. The document pertaining to general unpredictability, or V. The indicator in question assesses the level of volatility exhibited by a resource's price fluctuations within a specific timeframe. As indicated by the graphical data presented in Doge's analysis, there exists a significant level of volatility in the exchange rates between Dogecoin, Doge, and Bitcoin, BTC. The current analysis in athletics